Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to add a clock widget in Windows 11 or Windows 10. I'll show you guys how to do it. You just need to go to search menu and type store. Comes up Microsoft Store. Click on open it. In search apps, you just need to search for widget clock CLOCK. Press enter. Comes up widget launcher. Click on it. Click on the get option and install it guys. As you can see here, these are available in the widget launcher guys. You can select it what you like and launch it guys. I'll show you guys how to do that. After getting installed done, click on open it. Now you just need to close it off the Microsoft Store. Click on close. In here you can able to see all of these items over here. You can select a world clock or weather or any other accessories in here. What you have to do is you just need to select it by your preferences. For example, I just going with the world clock or digital clock I am going with, and you just need to select the color you want it, and after selecting it just launch widget, click on it, and as you can see in our desktop it's launching. You can also launch the world clock. I'm gonna launch the world clock. Click on launch widget. Now that clock and digital clock has been launched to desktop guys, what you have to do is just close it off here. As you can see, the digital clock and the world clock is launched over here. You can customize it guys. Click on this change skin. You can select the skin you want it, and you can also select the transparency of this clock just like this, and the same way you can also customize this world clock, colorful or light, background color you just need to select it, select done, and border color you just need to select one by one color. You just need to select every color over here by your preferences, and after selecting all colors you just need to select apply. Some properties may require restart to see effect. So that's all you have to do it guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.